Welcome to today's class on our YouTube channel Maths with Devanoop. Today's topic is profit and loss. To get regular updates, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell button. To understand profit and loss, we begin with three statements. Go and buy a pen. Order a cup of tea. Buy a new shirt. What is the common requirement in all these three statements? It is money. From where we get money? We can get money by doing a job, by agriculture, or by trading, or any other means. Now let us try to discuss what is trading. In very simple terms, trading is a shopkeeper buys some things and tries to sell them at a greater price. Now the price on which things are bought, that is called as cost price, in short CP, and the price on which things are sold is called as selling price, in short SP. Now profit is when things are bought for less and sold for more. For example, bought for rupees 10, sold for rupees 50. But a shopkeeper cannot always sell for more. Sometimes situation can be such that he has to sell for less. In those cases, we call the shopkeeper suffered a loss. For example, a shopkeeper bought for rupees 18, sold for rupees 12. In this case, CP is greater than SP. Now let us try to understand profit and loss with help of two examples. A shopkeeper buys a pen for rupees 20 and sells it for rupees 25. He is selling for more. How much more? Rupees 5 more. That is called as profit. Now because SP is greater than CP, therefore profit is 25 minus 20, rupees 5. The formula in general for profit is SP minus CP. But there can be a situation in which the shopkeeper was not able to sell for more. He could sell only for rupees 50. That is, in this case here, CP is greater than SP. We say the shopkeeper suffered a loss. Loss in this case, 20 minus 15, rupees 5. So the formula in general for loss is CP minus SP. Now let us try to understand more about profit and loss. Let us consider two more examples. A shirt was bought for rupees 1000 and sold for rupees 1100. Profit or loss? Clearly profit, because it was sold for more. How much profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 100 in this case. Now let us try to see one more example. A pencil was bought for rupees 5 and sold for rupees 8. Again profit or loss? Clearly sold for more, so profit. Profit SP minus CP, in this case it is rupees 100. Now selling of shirt is more profitable or pencil? One thing is, it depends on number of things sold. But the other aspect is the investment. Rupees 1000 was invested to buy a shirt which gave a profit of rupees 100. And rupees 5 were invested in a pencil which was sold for rupees 8, thus giving a profit of rupees 3. Now if we consider the same investment, rupees 1000, how many shirts can be, or how many pencils can be bought for rupees 1000? It is 200. On one pencil profit is rupees 3, and on 200 pencils it is rupees 600. So if 1000 is invested on a shirt, then profit is rupees 100. And if rupees 1000 are invested to buy pencils, then profit is rupees 600. So, which is more profitable? If we consider only the investment, then pencils is more profitable. So, how to find out correctly which is more profitable? For that, we find out profit percent and loss percent. Now, what is the formula for profit percent and loss percent? Now we know profit is equal to SP minus CP. What about profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit over cost price into 100. And loss percent? Loss over cost price into 100. We see both profit percent and loss percent are calculated in terms of cost price, because the investment is cost price. Now, three examples which we have done. In case of shirt, the profit percent is 100 over 1000 into 100, because in this case 100 was profit and 1000 was the cost price. So profit percent is equal to 10. In case of pencil, pencil was bought for rupees 5 and profit was rupees 3. So profit percent 3 by 5 into 100, that is 60. We see profit percent in case of pencil is much greater than profit percent in case of shirt. But in terms of rupees, profit in case of shirt is more than profit in case of pencil. Now we have done earlier one example in which a pen was bought for rupees 20 and sold for rupees 15, thus suffering a loss of rupees 5. So in that case, loss percent is equal to 5 over 20 into 100, that is 25. So loss percent 25. Now formulae to find SP and CP. To find SP, when CP and profit are given, we have SP is equal to CP plus profit. But sometimes in place of profit, profit percent is given. Then selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent over 100 into cost price. Let us try to understand with the help of example. A marker was bought for rupees 25 and profit was rupees 10. What is the selling price? Selling price is 25 plus 10, that is 35. But what about if in place of profit, profit percent was given? Profit percent is given as 40, then using this formula, selling price is equal to 100 plus 40 over 100 into 25, which again gives us the same answer, 35. Now, to find CP when SP and profit are given, CP is equal to SP minus profit. In place of profit, if profit percent is given, then cost price is equal to 100 over 100 plus profit percent into SP. Let us take one example. A pen was sold for rupees 60 and profit was 10. What about the cost price? Cost price using this formula, 60 minus 10, rupees 50. In place of rupees 10 profit, if we are given profit percent is equal to 20, then CP using this formula, 100 over 100 plus 20 into 60, rupees 50. Formula to find selling price. If cost price and loss are given, then selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So this clearly tells us selling price is less than the cost price. If cost price and loss percent are given, means in place of loss, loss percent is given, then selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent over 100 into cost price. Let us try to understand this with help of one example. A pencil was bought for rupees 10 and loss suffered was rupees 3. Then selling price is equal to, according to this formula, 10 minus 3 rupees 7. It is also possible that in place of loss in rupees, loss percent is given. Loss percent given is 30, then selling price is equal to, using this formula, 100 minus 30 over 100 into 10, rupees 7. Next, formula to find cost price when selling price and loss are given. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss, which makes it clear that in this case cost price is more than the selling price. In place of loss, if loss percent is given, then cost price is equal to 100 over 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Let us try to understand these two formulae using one example. A soap was sold for rupees 40 and loss suffered was rupees 10. Then cost price, using this formula, 10 plus 40 rupees 50. In place of loss rupees 10, if loss percent is given as 20, then cost price is equal to 100 over 100 minus 20 into 40, which gives us rupees 50. Now formula to find selling price if marked price and discount are given. Now what is marked price? The price which is written on the article is its marked price. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. But we see discount is mostly given in percentage. So if marked price and discount percent are given, then selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percent over 100 into marked price. Let us try to understand with the help of an example. Marked price of a pen was rupees 100 and discount rupees 20. Then using this formula, selling price is equal to 100 minus 20, rupees 80. In place of discount rupees 20, if discount percent is given as 20, then selling price is equal to 100 minus 20 over 100 into 100, that is rupees 80. Formula to find marked price if selling price and discount are given. Marked price is equal to selling price plus discount. But if in place of discount, discount percent is given, then the formula is marked price is equal to 100 over 100 minus discount percent into selling price. Let us try to understand this with help of an example. Selling price of a pen after discount of rupees 25 is rupees 75. Then what is the marked price? Using the first formula here, marked price is equal to 75 plus 20, rupees 100. If in place of discount of rupees 25, we are given discount percent of 25, then using the second formula, marked price is equal to 100 over 100 minus 25 into 75, which gives us rupees 100. Now at the end of any season, we commonly see successive discounts offered by different traders. Now these are very tricky. Let us take one example. A showroom or a trader is offering successive discounts of 40%, 20% and 20%. What is this discount equal to if we talk about a single discount? But let us first find the answer if marked price is rupees 1000. The formula is successive discounts may be 2, 3 or more. The formula remains the same. In 2 discounts we use first 2. If fourth is there, we will continue to add the fourth one. Selling price is equal to 100 minus first discount percent over 100, 100 minus second discount percent over 100, 100 minus third discount percent over 100 into marked price. Putting these three values, we get answer as 384. Now 3 questions we will solve. First, find selling price if the order of the discounts changes. That is, discounts are 20%, 20% and 40%. Second, which is better for the customer? This successive discounts or 50%, 20%, 10%. And the most important is these 3 successive discounts equal to their sum. That is 40 plus 20 plus 20. That is 80. Now pause the video for some time and please solve these 3 questions. And for answers, keep watching the video. Now successive discounts of 20%, 20% and 40% give the same SP. Why? We can calculate and check out, or we know multiplication we have done for 2 values is commutative, for 3 values it is associative, or in general numbers can be multiplied in any order. So changing the order does not change the answer. Second was successive discounts of 50%, 20% and 10%. Now putting in the same formula or using the same formula, we get 360. One gives us selling price of 384, the other gives us selling price of 360. So clearly this is better for the customer. That is, the discounts of 50%, 20% and 10% are better for the customer as compared to these. Now second, 40%, 20%, 20%, is this equal to 80%? Now if we put 100 in place of 1000, we will get selling price as rupees 38.40. And what is the discount? Discount in terms of rupees is and discount percentage discount over cost price into 100, that is 61.6. So what appeared to be 80% is not 80%, it is 61.6, that is quite less than 80. Now why this happened? Because successive discounts are calculated this way. First 40% on 1000 or any other value. If we calculate this 40%, then the left out selling price after the first discount is rupees 600. Now the second discount percent of 20 is applied on 600, not on 1000. 20% of 1000 is rupees 200, whereas 20% of 600 is rupees 120. So we see clearly in this step difference of rupees 80. This changes the answer. So while choosing successive discounts and single discount, we have to be very careful. For regular updates on different topics, please subscribe to our channel Maths with Devaroop and also press the bell button.